everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport, and I mean slick. This car has just gorgeous tuxedo black paint on it. All new red vinyl interior in it. Pretty car, man. You can see it's got those 17-inch billet SS wheels. And man, is this car nice. It's got gorgeous paint on it. My buddy Scott in Tennessee is the one who got this car for me. And it's the first thing he said is, you're going to like this paint. And he's right, man. This thing is pretty. Laser straight down the sides. Got a killer cammed up 454, Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. And this is my favorite color combination. I love the black with the red interior. Of course, it's got all the red SS striping. And this car is nice, man. It really is a pretty car. I mean, look how nice the trim and the stainless is. All new bumpers. Car was restored 5 years ago, but he said it's just got a couple of thousand miles on it. Said the guy hardly drove it. Look at that paint. See how nice that dash is in there. This is from one of our rags, guys. Let me read my sign up there. Car drives good, plenty of power. Of course, the factory would have been a 396 car. It's got a 454 in it now. Look at the paint, man. Pretty. It's got a soft compound, a Nitto on the rear. That car's tough. Again, these cars came with 396s, so they've kept all the 396 badging, but and guess again kept it kind of correct underneath the hood with the 396 stickers. But it's actually a 454 block, Holley dual feed 4-barrel. You can see the aluminum intake. Does have headers. Nice little cam through it. This thing hits good. Power steering, power brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It has been converted. It's got an HEI distributor in it. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Love those billet wheels. Good looking car, man. Look how nice these are. Those have had to have been replaced. Bet you they replaced these. These look original, but that A-pillar chrome is nice. New mirrors. You can see they've replaced your window fuzzies, new door handles. Look how nice this is. Its interior is all brand new. The seats are all refoamed, repadded. new carpet, new sill plates. You know what, it's missing these little caps that go on there. Remind me of that, and I can order them. You see it's got a little crack in the top of that console. The seats are super nice. I love this black with the red interior. 57,206. That's supposed to be the right miles on the car. Again, just a couple thousand miles on the car since it's been restored. It's got an aftermarket Audiosounds radio in it, Hurst shifter, sports steering wheel. Again, dual exhaust, 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. I mean, just look how slick this thing is. Car's real nice in the trunk. Pretty car, man. Very nice underneath. Nice and clean. The floors are nice. Doors are nice and clean. Seats are nice. Yeah, a little crack in the top of your console, somebody leaning in on there, but yeah, those are nice right there. I think fires right up. Damn hits too. Good sound in big block. Gauges all work. You have to get some gas in this thing. Actually, it's got lights. The only gauge in there is actually the fuel gauge. Parking brake works. Blower motor works. Radio works. Wipers do work. We got to adjust those a little bit though. Car's got good sound. Yeah. Blower motor works. Wiper radio works. Wipers do work. We just got to adjust them, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Look how straight that thing is. Have a great day, guys.